Welcome to Engineering Scale Models. I'm Jason, your host, and I do models. We are continuing our look at TTL logic from the 74LS series. Today we have the 74LS08. It is a data sheet moved on me. It is a 2-input positive and gate, and there are 4 of them, so it's times 4. So there's 4 of those on the chip. And just to refresher, an AND gate looks like this, no inversion bubble, and the table looks like this: A, B, and then we'll say Y is the output. Put Y, A, B, and you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and then you're going to have a 0, a 0, a 0, and a 1. So the only time you get a high output is if both outputs are high. So that is an AND gate. There's 4 of them on the chip. Let's take a look at the data sheet. Here is your data sheet. Let me get into here. Here are your chips right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 AND gates connected. Here's going to be my plus 5 volts, and that's going to be my ground reference there. So that's basically it. You can come down here and we can see the truth table is both of them are high. It's high. We see the symbol for an AND gate. So let's see, what else do we have here. Here is the internal transistors of the LS series. So if you looked at my transistors making of gates, you see that some of that is similar, but they add a lot more transistors to it to do some Schottky diodes, or Zener diodes, I'm sorry, that do different things. 5 volts is the recommended voltage. You can check all these out. Hey guys, any of these 74 series chips, even the 4000 series CMOS chips, I don't hunt the internet for their data sheets. I go to Texas Instruments website, ti.com, and I just search the part number, and so far every data sheet I needed to find, they've had a data sheet for it listed there. So that is a good place to check out for data sheets. I'm going to go to the overhead camera, and then we're going to show you what I got set up here. This is our AND gate here. So I have 2 buttons. I have a green and a yellow input, and then I have a blue LED output. So we're going to hook these up. So get some wires here. I'm going to use this first chip here. So my inputs are 1 and 2. So I'm going to pull those low through the resistor. I'm going to go to B, pull that low through the resistor. And then when I press the button, it'll go high through the diode, or the LED. And then my output's going to go to this blue LED. So let's get power from the power supply here. I might have to fiddle with it, because I believe I was putting out 5 volts. Yeah, I got to turn it up to 9. I have a voltage regulator that powers the breadboard, and it needs 9 volts. So 9 to 12 volts. So press 1, the input lights, but the output does not light. Press the other, same thing. So neither one. If I press them both, the output lights. So there's my AND gate right there. So that's an AND gate. Now up here, I did something a little different. I have a LS04 and an LS08. An 04 is an inverter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here with my inputs here. Come in with my inputs. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to plug that into that one, tying it low. Plug that one to that one. And then I'm going to take my output, which is here, of my inverter. And then I'm going to throw the output of the AND gate into the inverter, and now I have an inverted signal, and if I press them both it goes off. I press 1. So I made a NAND gate with the AND gate and an inverter. That is a simple thing you can do. It's not like a NAND gate where you can turn a AND gate into an inverter, but you can turn a NAND gate into an inverter. But that is basically an AND gate. They have their uses, and they're not as universal as NAND and NOR gates, but they do have their uses, and they do come in handy. So that's that. That's going to do it on this one, guys. Here's my social media. Links are in the description. Also, my eBay store is there. I got some more stuff on there. And then here is my Patreon page. If you so choose to support me, I'm trying to save up to get a functions generator, a bench power supply, and a bench meter. So I'm trying to get funds for that. If you guys want to help me out, I'd appreciate it. $1 here, $1 there, it'd be useful. I appreciate that. But that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much, and have a fantastic day.